Hey everyone, I'm Teacher Casey, and on my channel I love to share tips and tricks all about teaching online, and sometimes I get to share fun things. Like today I will share about the Good Fortune box. So I'm a little late in the game. I know there are other videos out already, but I was visiting my mom for her birthday, so I was gone for a week. And so yeah, this came in when I was gone. So I'm going to go over this and the exciting things that are inside the box. This box, for those of you that don't know, is created by online teachers for online teachers or for teachers. A lot of these things can be used by teachers as well, but you can just have a look and see. Each box is a different theme. Each month is a different theme, I guess I should say. And so this month it's all about just like summer, tropical, I don't know, just fun. So I've had different boxes, like they've had rainbow, pandas, butterflies, and Dragon Boat Festival, different things. So it's fun getting to have that. Yeah, for sure. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So number one we have is online educator t-shirt. So you can have a look before I do. I love the color. It's beautiful green. Ooh. So this shirt says maybe you teach only English or perhaps you've broadened your horizons in virtual teaching. Either way, the shirt is sure to bring a taste of the tropics to your classroom. Yay! Let me see. I haven't looked at it yet. Online educator. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. I love it. Yeah. And it's such a fun color. Definitely tropical goodness. That's so great. Maybe I'll have to try it on. Have a look. Online educator. That's cute, and that's very smart because a lot of things can be geared toward China because a lot of online teachers work with kids from China, but a lot of us are now moving towards places like Outschool too, where we're teaching with kids that aren't from China. So online educator, yeah, that's awesome. I love it. Great job. Good Fortune box girls, Sam and Rachel, you're awesome. And then there's this multi-purpose wrap. It's a jungle out there and we need to make sure you're covered. Check out the packaging to see all the different ways you can use this ultra functional accessory. Snap and share a picture of your favorite way to use it. And wow, there are so many ways that you can wear this. Goodness, that's amazing. I have like 5 minutes before my next class, so I'm trying to do this whole thing in that time, so I don't know. I'll try to do like 1 or 2 for you guys and girls. Okay, so it's cool though. I love it. It's so cool and awesome. I like it. Wow, there's like a way they make it look like a hat. You can... There we go. I love it, really. It is awesome. Yeah. Oh, some people put it over their neck. I don't know with headphones if I could do that. Oh, or like a hair tie. I see it. It looks like a hair tie in some ways. Oh. Okay, let's see if I can make it like a hair tie. And then I'll have to move on to the next item in the box. Okay. You see it? How does it look? Like a professional did it? No, I think it's cool. Very cool. I'm going to have to test out the other ways you can use it. I saw, I think Cindy Bennett, she did a box or she opened her box and I think she tried out the different ways you could use it. So cool. I'll have to check that out later. Next is Online Educator Koozie. It's 5 a.m. somewhere and you're probably still teaching. Be sure to hydrate and style with our custom cooler sleeve. Oh, cute. And it also says Online Educator. And it's 5 a.m. somewhere. I love that. Instead of 5 o'clock somewhere. Because 5 a.m. we're all teaching in the mornings. It's so crazy. But that's what we do. And then finger puppets set tropical animals. So cute. Oh, these are so cute. Look at them. Fun. These creatures of the tropics can be used individually as extension tools, like animal, sound, color, type, or collectively as a fun reward. Cute. Oh, cool. As a reward? Yeah. See that? Could definitely be used. Cute. Oh. It's a frog, a monkey, a cool bird, maybe a parrot, a snake, and a toucan. Oh, fun. Those are the best. Oh, goodness. I could have so much fun with those. Like, Hello, I'm a toucan. Oh, hey, I'm a frog. I like to hop all day. Oh, well, I can't hop, but I can fly. But I don't have any wings, so no. Okay, enough. This is so fun. All right, and then there's a Durian Duster. Says we didn't think actual durian would travel well, but this is the next best thing. Use it to clean your screen, keyboard, or other electronic devices. Nice! And durian is a fruit in China. That's cool. A tropical fruit. So, hey, I can dust. All clean. Yay! That's fun. And then there's a little tropical trail mix. Enjoy this stuck between classes or after feedback. Right now I'm between classes. Hey, but no time. For most results, consume while closing your eyes, putting up your feet, and imagining that tropical breeze contains nuts. For those of you that cannot do nuts. And then feature teacher is Ashley Van Dyke, who's an online educator from Florida. She works for multiple companies but loves creating fun designs for other teachers in her Etsy shop. Her beautiful Tropical Paradise sticker was created especially for this edition of the Good Fortune box. Oh, fun. Let me see. Yay! Oh, that's cool. Finding my paradise wherever I go. That is cute. Good job, Ashley. That's fun. I love that. Oh. How exciting! And then they have to include a Good Fortune cookie because, you know, it's a Good Fortune box. Paradise is to love many things with a passion. Oh, so fun. Wow, I love it. That was amazing. And thank you, Good Fortune people. And, oh, all subscribers that use GF Box will also receive 20% off in Ashley's Etsy shop. So Virtual Teaching Life is her Etsy shop. If you use that code, then you'll get 20% off. Hey, look at that. Very nice. They're awesome. They're always giving discounts in their monthly boxes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the box as much as I did. It was so fun. And now I have to go, so I'm not late for class. Catch y'all next time. Bye.